Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain how to create spring with variable pitch helix. So left side you can see the spring component, right side the parameters of variable pitch helix, and this is the helix curve or spiral curve, and these are the parameters. See, today I am going to take the example of spring of the pen. See, this is how it looks like. So I am going to take approximate dimensions of the spring and I am going to create the component. So this is the component. So let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file, select the top plane, go to sketch, draw a circle, so I've taken 5 mm, come out of the sketch. Now go to feature, select helix command and select this circle. See, generally we use constant pitch. See, I am going to change the revolution. This is how it looks like. So this is with constant, and if I reduce the pitch, see here, so we can increase the revolutions. So for example 10 mm. So this is the constant pitch, but now I am going to select variable pitch. See here, so first I am going to take 0.5 the pitch value, and this value is up to 3 revolution, so I am keeping 3. Next I am going to take 2 mm, up to 4th revolution, similarly 2 mm, seventh revolution, tenth revolution, and a 0.5 so you can see here the pitch value is going to change at this end, and similarly it is going to change here. So I will keep it in front view. So for better understanding, I'll keep it in horizontal. See here. See, let us understand the table and these parameters. See here. See, 0th revolution, it is a 0.5 mm pitch, and up to 3, see 1, 2, 3, it is 0.5, and 4th revolution it is having, so from this point to this point it is 2 mm, and 7th revolution, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th, till 7th revolution it is 2 mm. So from 4th to 7th it is 2 mm. Similarly, 7th to 10th it is 2 mm pitch, and 10th to 11th it is 0.5. So from here it is going to start, the start point for 0.5 mm pitch, and from here to 14th revolution it is 0.5. So this is how it is calculated. So in this, in variable pitch, we have to select pitch and revolution, and start point usually we select 0 degree. We can give any value as per our requirement. So I am going to select OK. So this is created now. Now what we have to do is we have to create a sweep. I'll keep it in isometric. Okay, I'm going to select this sweep command. So here we don't have to create circular profile. We have to select this option. Instead of sketch and profile, we have to select circular profile. And I'm going to take 0.4 mm diameter and select this curve. See, say OK. So the spring has been created. So you can see this helix curve. So I am going to hide this. So this is the final component. So this is brief about spring with variable pitch. Thanks for watching.